Welcome to Mt-viki. Today we will introduce VGA LCD KVM console. What's inside the package? One 8-port VGA KVM switch with 15.6-inch LCD rack mount monitor, 8 packs USB VGA KVM cable, 1 power adapter and power cable, 1 set rack ears and rails, 1 user manual. How to connect this KVM? Firstly, put this all-in-one unit in the cabinet, then fasten the ears with screws. It's lightweight, installed by one person. Secondly, connect the VGA and USB pigtail into the host PC and connect the VGA head into KVM. Thirdly, connect the power adapter. How to operate this KVM console? We can switch this KVM switch by pressing this button. OSD menu switching. Hotkey switching, press home plus 1 to 8 to switch. There are more functions in the OSD menu. Press F1, you can modify the name, F2 setting scanning, F3 system setting, F6 user account setting, F7 user login setting. There are some various KVM consoles maybe you will like. Thanks for watching.